Welcome to the University of Pavia. I am Alma, and I will tell you about the facilities offered by the university. Although Pavia is a small city, sometimes you do want to hop on a bus. The best option is to buy the yearly student pass called Unipass. It costs only €25, covers the urban zone and is valid for 1 year. To get instructions on how to buy the Unipass, visit the following website. Each department at the university has its own library, with spacious study rooms for you to immerse yourself into studying. Pro nerd tip: do not procrastinate. And study regularly. You must use the Affluences app to reserve a seat for the duration you like. You can also view the nearby libraries and study rooms, their timings, and the availability of free seats. But it's not all about studying, right? The University Sports Centre called Università Pavia promotes a healthy lifestyle and sports to students by offering a wide range of sports facilities and courses including rowing, fencing, archery to name a few. More information on this website. Studying long hours and doing sports both make you really hungry. So let's talk about food. There are 3 canteens located around the university campuses, offering nutritious meals. The meal price depends on your income bracket, which is for those who applied for a Hadiza scholarship. For more information about the canteens, timings, and instructions on how to use the Hadiza app, please visit this website. Moving to a new country can be challenging, and knowing the local language can come in very handy. The University Language Centre, located in the main campus, offers Italian language courses throughout the year, both online and in presence. Please visit the following website for more information. Moving on. The University of Pavia puts great importance on the well-being of its students. You can benefit from free counselling service. You may request for individual meetings as well as participate in group programs. The Centre of Assistance for Disabled Students, CISD, organizes and supports integration of disabled students in all aspects of university life. It also maintains and takes care of the facilities provided for students with disabilities. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Don't forget to watch the other Welcome series videos. Good luck!